heavy cream, cornstarch, sour cream, cream cheese, eggs, sugar, vanilla, a little lemon juice. I'm about to make a quick and easy cheesecake. Welcome to my channel, guys. If you're new, welcome to Shell's Time. Welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I make a quick cheesecake without an hand mixer. So your girl used 2 packs of cream cheese and they are at room temperature. I will drop my ingredients in the description box. You will also see them on the screen so you can pause. So there I am using my whisk to beat out my cheese, and of course it's flying across because I'm not that too hard. Don't mind that. I did this on a live on my Facebook channel. If you're not yet following me on Facebook and you're on Facebook, go follow me on Facebook. It's free. Okay guys, there's no charge. So here I beat or mixed my cream cheese, and then I added some granulated sugar. In this I'll be making homemade cheesecake. I have another recipe on my channel where I did another cream cheese a while back. Once done, then I started to add in some heavy whipping cream, and for this I used a half cup. Then I'll be adding in sour cream, vanilla, and my eggs. Feel free to use your mixer. I wanted to try this way with a hand whisk to see what the outcome or what the product of this would be like, and also the texture. Yes, your girl experimenting. I love to experiment and try to do things outside of the regular or outside of the norm. Once everything was incorporated and I added in my eggs, added my lemon zest or juice, into this I bought a store-bought, yes, store-bought for my cream cheese, the crust or the bottom, which I can make because I made it before. But because your girl lazy and I wanted this to be quick, yes, I bought a store-bought, and it was like so feeble. It was like, yes, it was feeble. And then I added in my cheese mix and it was like running a little, so I had to remove some. So I boiled some water and I'll be adding this cream cheese in a bath to put in my oven. So I added this, and then I'll use a cup to scoop boiling water in the bottom of this bowl. It will help with the baking process. In the meantime, I also preheated my oven, and listen, this is like 45 minutes into the baking. I totally forgot to show you when I added it to the oven, but this is what it looks like. Now 50 minutes in total this took to get this color and to get to this. Once you touch the side of it, it should be jiggly. It should be like jiggling, like dancing. I left this out to cool because then I'll be leaving this in my fridge overnight, or there's a recommended 6 hours, but it's late at night and I know I won't be waking up to taste this or to cut this. So this is the next morning and this is what the cheesecake looks like. It's formed out. It's now flat. I'll be using raspberries and blueberries as my topping because that's my business. Feel free to have this as is, but I love to eat this especially with blueberries and raspberries. So I cut into this. Now it's hard because it stayed in the fridge for a couple hours overnight. Once I cut into this, then you can remove this and you can add your topping, or on my other video I added topping on the entire cheesecake. You can go in my playlist on my baking videos or my cakes and other dessert playlist, and you will see another cheesecake that I did that I used a hand whisk mixer instead of the hand whisk like I did in this cheesecake. But it came out good. I enjoyed it. It was a softer texture, I guess, based on the mixing, and then I used sugar in it. And you know that you normally have to beat sugar for a while, but listen, New York Cheesecake have no it on this. Cheesecake Factory, yes, they might be better, but listen, your girl get in there, so be squared. Yes, square this out. This tasted really, really good, homemade, and you can make this dessert for yourself, for your family. Guys, I'm giving you lots of recipes. Please watch my videos, like the videos that are free, share the videos, and I'll be adding most, if not all, of the ingredients in the description box. If there's any that's missing that you're interested in trying, please let me know. And you guys, don't be boring. Get out of the regular norm of doing things and experiment like I love to do. Just follow me. I would be so happy if a subscriber drops a comment to say I tried your recipe and it works. Guys, we need to get on the board with me. Get on board with me. Once done, then I added some strawberry sauce that I did, and I can just drizzle this on my fruits, and every bite of my cheesecake I'll eat some blueberries and some raspberries on it, and I enjoyed it. Quick and easy recipe that doesn't call or desires a lot of ingredients. You too can make your homemade cheesecake. What about you? You don't have to go out to buy cheesecake anymore. But guys, if you haven't yet subscribed and you came across this video, what are you waiting on? Follow me, and I am also on Facebook. You can also follow me. Run on over, support you girl by liking, dropping a comment, sharing, and experimenting on my videos. Thank you for stopping by my channel. You have a blessed week when you see this video. Peace out to you, and make sure you stay tuned. Set that notification bell so you won't miss another upload. Thank you guys. Watch to the end and just enjoy a little good vibes. Love coming your way, and how colorful my cheesecake looks. Thank you guys. See you soon in another video.